Year we had a drier than average winter. In fact, I got some graphics I'll share with you as we take a look at what we are expecting. This is what NOAA's talking about. Much of the country likely going to see above average temperatures thanks to this weak El Nino, which is a measure of Pacific Ocean water temperatures away along the equator and how that influences the weather across the U.S. Typically, during an El Nino year, we see this pattern as far as temperatures are concerned, and this is the typical pattern for precipitation, typically wet across the south, which sometimes can mean snow for them. For us, it normally means dry, but we looked back today at the records. The last time we had a weak El Nino such as what we're expecting was the winter of 2014 and 2015. While we did see a very dry December, very little snow that December of 2014, February of the following year wound up being very cold, one of the fourth coldest on record. So that's not to say we will not have a winter at all. In fact, I imagine we will. 43 is the temperature now. It's been chilly the last couple of nights and on our way down to the upper 30s tonight. By morning, we'll be in around 32 to 35 degrees. So likely we'll get some patchy frost again tomorrow morning. The one key that we will be watching tonight is how quickly some clouds can move in. If the clouds can move in quick enough, it may prevent some frost. We do anticipate we will stay mainly clear with high pressure just about on top of us here through the night tonight. But the clouds are approaching. They are pushing out of Kansas and Missouri. This moisture and precipitation is going to link up with this cold front, which will also spread south and east over the next 24 hours and bring us the threat for some rain showers by evening tomorrow. And then eventually some colder air comes in with that cold front, and we could see some other form of precipitation as we get into Saturday night. Here's the way Futurecast sees it. Hour by hour through tomorrow, we will see increase in cloud cover, but dry through the first half of the day. As we get into the evening, the clouds will thicken up. Still likely dry through 5 o'clock, but as we get later into the evening, 8, 9 o'clock, perhaps as a lot of the football games are getting into the second half, we could see some of those passing showers. Not a whole lot of rain, but we could have gusty winds as we head into Friday night and into the day Saturday as well. Some morning showers Saturday, may get a few peaks of sunshine midday Saturday. Then that cold front arrives, and that will send another wave of some showers in for Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. And if you look closely, you may have seen a few little blue specks there. As we get into Saturday night, there could be a few wet snowflakes or ice pellets that mix in. Nothing that would stick around, but just a sign of the cold air that comes in for Saturday night and into Sunday. Very chilly into the weekend expected. Our forecast 35 at 8 a.m. up to 44 at 10. We'll look for temperatures tomorrow back into the middle to upper 50s with those increasing clouds as we head through the second half of the day. Showers Friday night into Saturday. Again, as I mentioned, Saturday night as we drop into the 30s, maybe a wet snowflake or two, especially north. Clearing skies Sunday, back to sunshine Monday and Tuesday. Some chilly nights and seasonable temperatures for afternoon highs next week. Kirsty on the latest on that weekend storm system. She's in at 425.
All right, so we just got on Zeno breaking news. Now I want to give you a live look from Riverside Drive in Dayton, where police are investigating a shooting. Our crew here said officers are also at a scene about a block away. Now, once we learn any other details, of course, we'll have them for you if that happens overnight on our WHIO News app.
The Mega Millions jackpot just keeps getting bigger.
How close it is to being the highest jackpot in U.S. history.